The heels elevated barbell hack squat is a unique variation of the traditional barbell back squat. By placing the barbell behind your legs, this hack squat variation allows you to target your quadriceps. Elevating your heels creates a more knee-dominant squat to shift more of the emphasis on your quadriceps. Elevating your heels may also help keep your upper torso in a more upright position. To get started, place 2 weight plates side by side on the floor with the loaded barbell on the ground slightly behind the front of the weight plates. With a shoulder width stance, place your heels on the edge of the weight plates. Squat down to grab the bar with an overhand shoulder width grip. With your core tight, neck in neutral position, chest up and shoulder blades squeezed back, drive your feet through the ground to stand back up as you squeeze your quadriceps at the top. To lower back down into the squat position, under control, slowly bend your hips and knees until the weight touches the floor. It's okay if your knees track over your toes, since this will place more emphasis on targeting your quadriceps. Repeat for reps. Subscribe to get a new exercise video every day.